Hello everybody, welcome to Wilson County Motors. It's Brian Griz, and we just got on trade this one owner. It's a 2009 Toyota RAV4. It's the pearl white in color. It's the V6 3.5 liter. It's got the chrome fog lamp bezels. Fully serviced, fully inspected. And 3.5 liter. Alloy wheels, brand new tires when we serviced it, installed. It's got the side markers in the mirrors. We've got two sets of keys. It's got the touch entry, leather trim interior, which is the graphite gray. Lots of storage, original owner's manuals, JBL audio, premium sound system. Does have the roof rack with cross rails, power moonroof. Auxiliary plug-in in the back. Very clean interior. Spare tire cover. 2009 Toyota RAV4 V6, pearl in color. It's got the rear cargo net and cover. If you'd like to see pictures, a copy of the Carfax, you can check out our website. That's wilsoncounty.com. Just outside Nashville, Tennessee. Very beautiful pearl white 2009. It's a southern vehicle, so if you're looking for a rust-free. We do consider trade-ins, and we do have financing available with proof credit. You can apply directly online. We also have Nashville B&A airport pickup available. Power driver's seat, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Auxiliary iPod plug-in. Got heated seats, your traction control. 79,164 miles and just serviced. Electrochromatic mirror. Also has your rear view camera. And premium JBL audio. Got your dual zone climate control. Very clean 2009 Toyota RAV4 here at Wilson County Motors. You can call me directly at 615-715-7950. Thank you for viewing and have a great day.